Ready to design professional logos and vector graphics? In this video, I'm showing you how to download and install the official version of Adobe Illustrator for free on both PC and Mac. We are avoiding sketchy third-party sites and sticking to the official Adobe method to keep your computer safe. I've put the direct link to the official download page right in the description below. Go ahead and click that link so we can walk through this together. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Adobe Illustrator page. Look for the free trial button. It's usually up in the top menu or on the main banner. Click that to get started. You'll see a couple of plan options. You can grab just Illustrator or the full Creative Cloud suite. Since we are going for the free trial, pick the one you want and hit Continue. Next, create your account or sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Adobe will ask for payment info to start the trial, but remember, you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. This is just how they verify real users. After signing up, the Creative Cloud installer will automatically download. Open that file and follow the prompts to install the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is where you manage all your Adobe tools. Once the app launches, it might automatically start installing Illustrator. If not, just search for Illustrator in the app list and click Install. When it's done, click Open, and you'll have the full official version of Adobe Illustrator ready to go. Now you have everything you need to start designing. If this video helped you get set up, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And the link to the official download is in the description if you need it. Thanks for watching.